Ew, you're wiping them off in vinegar! Mom. Now they're really gonna stick. Hey, look! Bumblebee!
Bumblebee! It's like a heart. Oh! Blah. Hey guys, welcome to Will It Slime. Today we are going to melt 100 pounds of slime smoothie. This is our slime smoothie that we made a couple videos back. It's a 100-pound smoothie. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. But today we're gonna fill a kiddie pool with slime, and then we're gonna use vinegar and we're gonna melt it. Let's go. The first thing we're gonna do is use this giant pink, well, tiny pink pool, and we're gonna fill it up with our slime.
Okay.
Should we test the piece and see what it does? Let's just put a little piece in. Let's put that little piece in, and let's see what happens when we pour vinegar on top of it. Let's see what happens. Look at that.
Ew! And it was just activated a second ago.
Yeah. Totally disintegrating. Real quick, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so that you never miss a new video from Will It Slime. It's so heavy. Come on, Madison, we need help. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Bonk. Look at it. Get it in there. I think we got our blue. We got our greens in here. Look at the bottom of this. Ooh, look at that. Check that out.
What is this? It's already like melting right there in that same spot. What is this?
What is that?
A napkin.
Oh, you know what that is?
What?
That's the this is the plastic cup that was melted with acetone, and we put it in the smoothie. Look at it, it's hard.
That is weird.
So it didn't blend in with the rest of the smoothie. It's like a hard. Oh.
On there. I just tore open one of those jelly cubes.
Look at that.
Gross.
Pop the bubbles.
Why? One time I found myself doing this with sand.
Here's our our magic hour. Ooh, check that out.
Yeah.
It's from the jelly cube slime.
Squeezed one of these and a bubble came up.
Look at that. Looks like those Easter candies. Do we try some vinegar? Let's see what happens. Ooh, it stinks.
It stinks.
Ooh, y'all gonna smell like vinegar. Let's see what happens here. Oh, now we need to, before we do that real quick, 3-second challenge. I'm gonna give you 3 seconds and I want you to hit the like button as fast as you can. Are you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
All right, set, go. 1, 2, 3. All right, did you hit that smash? Did you hit that smash? Did you hit that like button? I hope you did. All right, guys, let's mix this in.
Oh, that's it!
No, that's that.
Oh, it's...
That's that slime again. Look at it. It's like a hard ball. Watch it bounce.
It does not bounce.
It didn't bounce. Look at it. Look at
Because of Mom's Fruit Loop slime.
it.
Oh, Yucky Fruit Loop. Ew, is there Fruit Loop in here?
Look at all the stuff in there.
Ew, there's a Fruit Loop in here. No, there's Fruit Loops in here.
Hey guys, real quick, a couple videos back, I had a request for a fan that we met at Disney World to send us a picture that she took while we were there.
What?
So I put that request in the video, and her mom sent us the picture, and here is the picture. Ta-da! This is Josie, everybody. Josie met us at Walt Disney World, and Josie was very awesome. Thank you, Josie, for sending us the picture. Thanks for being a fan of Will It Slime.
What?
It's like salt. Ugh.
It
Stinks.
Ew, I wonder if it like does anything to these jelly balls. I found it. I found one too. Ew, that feels so disgusting. Ew. Oh, great.
Oh,
Oh, Cameron. I got 2 big jelly cubes.
I think we need more. I think we need more vinegar.
No, more vinegar. Well, I'm not changing my pants, so I'll smell like vinegar.
Hey guys, before we add any more vinegar, let's do a random shout out. Let's do a shout out to Chrissy Missy. Chrissy Missy says, "You're the best, most amazing channel. I'm always early." Yes, you are, because I see your comments on every video. Stinks. Mmm. Look at that.
So what is this? What is
Lucky Charm milk?
Ooh, it's like, what's in here? We got all kinds of, find the surprise.
Ew, I don't want to find a surprise.
Our slime is disintegrating. There's nothing.
Whoa.
All we have left are
Oh, butter slime.
magic eraser sponges.
And a half.
Definitely the stinkiest slime.
It smells like baby diaper.
Smells like poo-poo.
There's like a whole bunch of slime.
Making me again. It's sitting on baby.
Who wants this type of slime? Raise your hand. Not me.
That's gross.
Ew, look at that, look at that. Ew. I may be touching it, but I don't want to.
Oh, look, check that out.
What is that?
Got little rubber bands.
Oh, you
Yeah,
just
sound
got...
like the everything slime. Let us know in the comments down below what you think about melting slime in vinegar. This stuff is really
Hey, look.
starting to stink.
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee wants to take a video with us.
Ew, you're wiping them off in vinegar. Now they're really gonna stink.
I don't need any.
My hands are stained.
Stained hands.
Ew.
Apples are in here. Make me itchy.
I just happen to have some baking soda, and I think we all know what happens when you put baking soda with vinegar. But what happens when you put baking soda with vinegar and slime? Let's find out. Before we put our baking soda in, let's do another random shout out. This shout out goes to Talisha Simmons. Talisha says, "Yes, I just made slime from one of your recipes. I love you so much." Thank you so much, Talisha. We love all our fans. You guys are awesome. Time for the baking soda.
Good baking soda. Good.
Are we ready to see what this goes? Y'all ready? Here we go. Look at it. The bubbles.
Feels weird.
Cloud.
Feels puffy. It's puffy.
Look at it. Should I add some more?
No vinegar. Vinegar, okay. Ew, it just like came back together with this. Vinegar shower.
Bag number 2.
Oh, you have one more. Oh, you have one more. Yeah. Oh no, it's gonna overflow in like 2 seconds.
Oh, look at that.
Ah! It's starting to overflow. I like the. Uh-oh.
I'm all the way over here. It's overflowing.
It's gonna get on your shoes.
It's our slime volcano.
It's a cauldron.
Yeah, I'm taking my
Overflowing
shoes
cauldron.
off. It feels weird.
It just landed
Here we
in
go.
my hair. Ah!
Baking.
Ah! My hair!
This feels so weird.
Oh, it's coming too close. It's getting too close to my face. It's getting on my feet. It's a doll swimming foam pool.
All right, guys. That does it for melting 100 pounds of slime smoothie with vinegar. I hope you had fun. Let us know in the comments if you liked it. Let us know in the comments if you didn't like it. And we'll see you next time. Hey guys, wait a minute, don't go anywhere yet. Check this out. So we melted our slime yesterday and I came out here this morning and check it out. It reformed overnight. It's still kind of soft on the bottom. That's all the vinegar down there in the bottom. But after it melted, now we've got a slime patty floating on top of our vinegar. Check that out. We'll see you next time. For real this time.